Is your old Android phone basically a paperweight because it can't run YouTube anymore? If your device is so outdated that even Chrome won't work, don't throw it away just yet. You can still watch your favorite videos by installing the Opera Mini browser. If the Play Store is no longer working on your phone, you can manually download the APK file from popular trusted sites like APK Mirror. To get the best experience on your legacy device, there are two important things you should do. First, make sure to log into YouTube using your Google account within the browser. This ensures a much smoother and more personalized viewing experience. Second, you should add a shortcut to your home screen so you can access YouTube instantly whenever you want. To do this, just tap the More menu or the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Select Add to Home Screen, give it a name, and confirm by tapping Add. However, if you're using a Xiaomi device, including Redmi or Poco, there is one extra step you need to take to allow the shortcut to appear. Long press the Opera Mini icon on your home screen until a menu pops up. Then tap on App Info or the information icon. From there, go to Other Permissions and enable home screen shortcuts. This gives the app the necessary permission to place that icon on your screen. I hope this helps you bring your old phone back to life. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Droid Tips channel. I'll see you in the next Android tutorial.